Thinking about replacing your transmission range sensor yourself and avoiding an expensive repair bill? In this video, we'll guide you through the entire process step by step, making it easier to get the job done correctly. If you're ready to tackle the job, let's dive right in. 1. Get the vehicle ready. Park on a level surface and engage the parking brake. If the vehicle needs to be raised, support it securely with jack stands. Make sure the engine is turned off and has cooled down. For automatic transmissions, place the shifter in park. For manual transmissions, shift into neutral. 2. Find the transmission range sensor. The transmission range sensor is commonly mounted on the transmission housing, connected to the shift linkage or valve body. In some vehicles, it may also be located near the gear selector. To identify the exact location on your vehicle, refer to the service manual. 3. Disconnect battery power. This step is essential for safety. Skipping it can increase the risk of electrical shorts or accidental damage. Disconnect the negative battery terminal before beginning any work. This ensures the electrical system is safely isolated while you replace the sensor. 4. Remove the existing sensor. Carefully unplug the electrical connector attached to the sensor. Handle the connector gently to avoid damaging the pins or wiring. If a locking tab is present, press or lift it as required to release the connector. Depending on the vehicle, you may also need to remove mounting bolts or screws. Use a socket wrench to remove the fastener securing the sensor to the transmission housing. 5. Mount the replacement sensor. Position the new sensor correctly and align it with the mounting holes on the transmission. Install the mounting bolts and tighten them by hand first to prevent cross-threading. Once properly aligned, use a socket wrench to tighten the bolts securely. 6. Reattach the electrical connector. Reconnect the wiring harness to the new sensor and ensure it clicks firmly into place. Verify that the connector is fully seated and that the locking tab is engaged, if equipped. Check for any visible gaps or signs of misalignment. 7. Restore battery connection. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and make sure the connection is secure. Tighten the terminal if necessary and inspect the area to ensure there are no loose or exposed wires. 8. Verify proper operation. Start the vehicle and test the sensor by shifting through all gear positions. Confirm that the transmission operates smoothly and that each gear engages correctly. Check that the gear indicator displays the proper gear selection and watch for any warning lights or fault messages. If everything functions normally, the installation was successful. 9. Erase stored trouble codes, if needed. If the vehicle stored fault codes related to the old sensor, connect an OBD2 scanner and clear the codes. Follow the scanner instructions to erase any stored faults. This helps ensure the check engine light turns off and allows the vehicle's computer to recognize the newly installed sensor. After clearing the codes, monitor the dashboard for any returning warnings. 10. Perform a final inspection. Inspect all electrical connections and mounting hardware to confirm everything is secure. Once you've verified the installation, take the vehicle for a short test drive. Pay attention to any unusual noises, harsh shifting, or delayed gear engagement. If the transmission performs normally throughout the drive, the replacement process is complete. And that's it, you've successfully replaced your transmission range sensor on your own. Just remember that following each step carefully is important, since overlooking a small detail can affect the entire repair. By handling the job yourself, you may have saved anywhere from $200 to $400 compared to typical repair shop costs. If this guide helped you, leave a comment below with any vehicle issues you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful automotive repair guides.